Physical therapy especially is indicated if you're experiencing worsening of symptoms related to physical activity or exercise, and a physical therapist can help address that. Our initial goal is to help stabilize symptoms. So using energy conservation strategies, activity modifications, pacing strategies, so that we can help balance activity and rest and stabilize symptoms over time. That might include vital monitoring, heart rate tracking, step tracking, using a calendar to plan ahead and to reflect on activity and how that affected symptoms. Generally, our goal is to decrease symptom severity and decrease the intensity and the frequency of those post-exertional symptom exacerbation episodes or crashes by stabilizing symptoms over time. Once symptoms are stable, our goal is to slowly increase activity and increase daily steps, exercise, participation in chores, social activities. It depends on the patient's goals. A physical therapist can help dose that by prescribing daily steps, prescribing exercise parameters to increase exercise slowly within symptom tolerance. I have patients that come in with goals to return to biking regularly. They used to bike 5 times a week for 2 hours and they want to return to training. I have other patients that come in and they want to return to work, to tolerate a full day of work or 5 days a week of work. I have patients that come in that want to be able to get out of bed every day and do their daily chores and their daily errands. Everybody has different goals, and so physical therapy looks really different for every single person based on those individual goals. And overall, our long-term goal for physical therapy is to help people become independent in managing their own symptoms. So we kind of help facilitate that process of them identifying their symptoms, identifying their triggers, identifying what strategies work to improve their symptoms over time so that they can continue to implement that when we're not seeing them anymore.